Finally, I can get some peace and quiet. Watch some damn Liam Neeson movies. This is Hack. Okay, motherfucker. I'm gonna give you one last thing to think about. You either take that back and apologize to me right the fuck now, or forever I'm holding in your peace snuff, baby! Listen to me! You got one chance to make it up to me. And I'm gonna give you that chance right now. I want 145 women. 50 of those women I want to be virgins under the age of 35. I want to be picked up in a terrafugia. For those of you that don't know, which includes you, stupid dumbass, that's a street legal airplane made in Italy. I want that thing to be pilot ready. I'd appreciate it if on the house yacht and the terrafugia there be a full cold bar stocked with imported organic beers and wines of many delectable kinds. All sorts of the beauties and all the botanicals and vitamins and minerals that one needs to be prestigious. Are you getting my drift, sir? I'm not sure if you're catching what I'm putting down and in. Are you? I'm going to take that as a yes and expect you at the bottom of my staircase on the marina floor in no later than 15 minutes. What? Look. You know what, man? You're really starting to piss me off, and that's one thing that you don't want to do with me right now. Is piss me off. I've had the longest day of my life, and all I want to do is spend the rest of my week on a yacht with 150 women, 50 of those women being straight Christian virgins from the Imposter Scoops. Now you don't mess with me on this one, Frank. You don't.